Good morning, grade ones. I hope you enjoyed the story of Halfie Half. Now we're going to do work in our book. So like we always do, step 1, do head, tummy, tails. And then we are going to write half of 20. And I'm going to show you how we're going to get the answer. Half of 18, I will show you. But first of all, I need to make 2 little plates. One for Halfie Half and one for her little brother. So find something that you can use to make 2 circles, 2 little plates. There we go. Oh, this one is a bit smaller. It's not going to fit in perfectly. There we go. Right. So this is Halfie Half's plate. That is her brother's plate. Now, just like on the video where I showed you, we're going to do one for you, one for me. One for you, one for me. I'm going to write on the side, ha for Halfie Half. And Kenny Quarter starts with a K, a K. That's Kenny Quarter's plate. This is Halfie Half's plate. Right, here we go. So make sure that you have 20 little counters. I'm going to use my cute little shells again. 20 counters. And the first one, we have to start with 20. So we're going to use all 20 our counters. And we're going to start with the process, one for you, one for me. Okay, here we go. One for you, one for me. 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 One for you, one for me, 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 one for you, one for me. We only want to know how many is in Halfie Half's plate. So I'm only going to count what's in her plate. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my answer will be 10. Half of 20 is 10. Now to do the next one, you only have to have 18. So if I've got 20, how many should I take away to get to 18? I'm going to take away number 20 and I'm going to take away number 19. Now I have 18. Take them all off. Make sure you only have 18 and we start again. One for you, one for me. 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 Let's count how many do we have on Halfie Half's plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I know half of 18 is 9. And you're going to go all the way to the end. Make sure you have 16 counters when you get to that sum. Make sure you have 14 counters. So you have to make sure step 1 will be check how many counters you need. Step 2 will be to divide half. And you will see there's going to be a pattern on the side that forms. Look at this pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I wonder if you know what this pattern will be. Good. Write down all the answers, take a photo and send it to your teacher. I hope you are good with dividing.